Hello everyone. Greetings of the day. This presentation is done by Professor Satish Petangare from Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. In this session we will discuss about egg cookery. In this slide, we will discuss about eggs. Eggs belong to meat family. Eggs contain nutrients such as fat, protein, iron and vitamins as A, B, D and K. The resources of eggs are hens, duck, geese, turkey and seagulls. In this slide we will discuss about the composition and structure of egg. Egg yolk. It is high in fat and protein, and it contains iron and several vitamins. Its color ranges from light to dark yellow, depending upon the diet of the chicken. Egg white. It is primarily albumin protein, which is clear and soluble when raw, white and firm when coagulated. The white also contains sulfur. There are two parts to the white, a thick white that surrounds the yolk and the thinner, more liquid part on the outside of this. Eggshell. It is fragile and very porous, allowing odors and flavors to be absorbed by the egg, and allowing the egg to lose moisture even if unbroken. Eggs also contain a membrane that lines the shell and forms an air cell at the large end, and two white strands called chalazae that hold the yolk centered. In this slide we will discuss about the grades of eggs. Eggs are graded for the quality by the U.S. Department of Agriculture. Eggs are graded for the quality using a process called candling. There are three grades, AA, A, B. The best grade is AA as it is fresh and has a firm egg yolk and thick egg white. As it ages, the grade lowers to A and further to B. In this slide we will talk about the size of eggs. Eggs are also graded by size. Most food service operations use large eggs, and recipes based on this size. In the following table, we can see the different sizes of eggs, along with their approximate weight. In this slide we will discuss about the quality and storage of eggs. Proper storage is essential for maintaining the quality. Eggs keep for weeks if held at 36 degrees Fahrenheit or 2 degrees Celsius, but lose quality quickly if held at room temperature. Store eggs away from other foods that might pass on undesirable flavors or odors. For example, fish, cheese, etc. Store in original carton with the blunt side up. Do not wash until they use. In this slide we will discuss about the selection criteria for egg. The shell should be clean and should not be broken. Fresh eggs have a small air cell. This can be detected by holding the egg against light. Yolk should be in the center without any dark spots when observed against light. Good quality egg will sink when immersed in water. Poor quality eggs will float due to the enlarged air cell and loss of moisture. In this slide we will discuss about the methods of cooking eggs. The different types of cooked eggs are boiled eggs, poached eggs, fried eggs, shirred eggs, scrambled eggs, and omelettes. In this slide we will learn about boiled eggs. Simmering in the shell. The term hard-boiled egg is not a good one to use, since eggs should be simmered instead of boiled. Eggs may be simmered to the soft, medium, or hard-cooked stage by simmering in water. Soft cooked, 3 to 4 minutes. Medium cooked, 5 to 7 minutes. Hard cooked, 12 to 15 minutes. In this slide we will learn how to prepare poached eggs. Fresh eggs give best shape, but if not fresh eggs, add little salt and distilled vinegar. Vinegar helps coagulate egg white faster, so that it will keep a better shape. Bring water to a simmer. Break eggs one at a time into a dish or a small plate and slide into simmering water. Eggs will hold shape better if they slide against the edge of the pan. Simmer for 3 to 5 minutes, until whites are coagulated and yolks are still soft. Remove eggs from pan with slotted spoon or skimmer. To serve immediately, drain very well. For better appearance, trim off ragged edges. In this slide we will learn to prepare the different types of fried eggs. Over easy, fry and flip over. Cook until white is just set and egg yolk is still liquid. Over medium, fry and flip over. Cook until yolk is partially set. Over hard, fry and flip over. Cook until yolk is completely cooked. Sunny side up. Cook slowly without flipping until white is completely set and yolk is still soft and yellow. Heat must be low or bottom will toughen or burn before top is completely set. Basted. Do not flip. Add a few drops of water to pan and cover so steam cooks the top. Yolk will have a thin film of coagulated white covering it. Yolk should remain liquid. The term, basted, is used because the same effect may be achieved by spooning hot fat over eggs as it fries. This method may make the eggs excessively greasy. In this slide we will discuss about shirred eggs. Shirred eggs resemble fried eggs except that they are baked in individual serving dishes rather than fried. They may also be baked with or garnished with a variety of meats and sauces. The procedure to prepare shirred eggs is as follows. Butter individual portion casseroles or baking dishes. Break eggs into dish and set over moderate heat until eggs begin to coagulate in the bottom. Set in oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius and cook to desired doneness. Serve in the same dish or casserole. In this slide we will discuss about the shirred eggs variations. Any of the following may be placed in the buttered shirred egg dish before adding the egg. Ham or Canadian bacon, thin slice, lightly browned on griddle. Bacon, 3 to 4 half strips cooked crisp. Corned beef hash. Grated cheese, such as cheddar, Swiss or Gruyere. Diced chicken in cream sauce. Tomato concasse, sautéed in butter. In this slide we will discuss about scrambled eggs. Like other egg preparation, scrambled eggs are best cooked to order. However, they may be made in larger quantities. They should be undercooked if they are to be held for volume service, as they will cook more in steam table. Do not overcook scrambled eggs or hold them too long. Overcooked eggs are tough and watery and they eventually turn green in the steam table. Scrambled eggs should be soft and moist, unless the customer requests scrambled hard. In this slide we will talk about the procedure for preparing scrambled eggs. Collect equipment and food item. Break eggs into a steel bowl and beat well. Season it with salt and white pepper. If desired, add a small amount of milk or cream. Too much liquid may make cooked eggs watery and dilutes the flavor. Heat butter in a small sauté pan. When fat is just hot enough to make a drop of water sizzle, pour in the eggs. Cook over low heat, stirring gently from time to time as the eggs coagulate. Too much stirring breaks up eggs into very small particles. Do not let eggs brown. When eggs are set but still soft and moist, remove from heat. Turn out onto plate or into steam table pan. In this slide we will discuss about omelettes. An omelette is a dish made from beaten eggs, fried with butter or oil in a frying pan, without stirring as in scrambled egg. It is quite common for the omelette to be folded around fillings such as cheese, chives, vegetables, mushrooms, meat, often ham or bacon, or some combination of the above. Whole eggs or egg whites are often beaten with a small amount of milk, cream, or water. In this slide we will learn the procedure for preparing omelettes. Collect all equipments and ingredients. Beat 2 to 3 eggs in a small bowl just until well mixed. Place an omelette pan over high heat. When pan is hot, add a little fat to coat the pan. Heat it for a second and add the eggs to the pan. They start to coagulate immediately. At the same time shake the pan with one hand and with the other hand stir it with a fork in a circular motion. Stop shaking when the eggs are almost set but still moist. Tilt the pan so as the omelette slides to the other side. If there is a filling, spoon it across the center and with the fork fold the sides over it. Tilt it over the plate so as the folded part goes below, giving an oval shape. In this slide we will talk about the popular omelettes around the world. The popular omelettes around the world are Spanish omelette, Western omelette, American omelette, Greek omelette, masala or Indian omelette. In this slide we will discuss about the uses of eggs in cookery. Binding. Addition of eggs to minced meat and mashed vegetables help to bind the mixture. It helps to retain the shape of mutton croquettes, meat loaf, medallions, Hamburgers. Coating. The egg and egg batter help to give a coat to the food items and prevent them from disintegrating and give them a protective coating. Fish fillets. Croquettes are dipped into the batter before crumbing and then fried. Leavening. By beating the egg whites, foam is made up of air bubbles, surrounded by a thin elastic film of egg white. The mixture, when added to products such as sponge cakes, meringues, soufflés, increases the volume. Egg yolk has a less foaming power because of its fat content. Emulsifying. Eggs form stable emulsions. Eggs are the emulsifiers that give a smooth mayonnaise sauce. It is also used as an emulsifier in ice creams, cakes, cream puffs. Thickening. Eggs help to improve the consistency of gravies, curries, sauces and soups. Egg liaisons used in soups and sauces help to thicken and improve the consistency. Decoration and garnishing of dishes. Sieved or quarters of boiled eggs are used to decorate or garnish dishes such as salads, biryanis, curries, Vienna steaks. For consommé Xavier, threaded eggs are added as garnish. Clarifying. Consommés are clarified with egg whites. Thank you.